friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to take the screenshot in this device. So in this video I will show you some couple of methods to take the screenshot. The first one, tap and hold on the volume down button and the lock button. You can see the screenshot is captured. Tap and hold on the volume down button and the power button. You can see simply the screenshot is captured. And the next one, tap and hold on the screen using your 3 fingers. You can see the screenshot is captured. First go to the page that you want to take the screenshot and tap and hold on the screen using 3 fingers. You can see the screenshot is captured. To enable the 3 finger screenshot, first of all go to settings and tap on the option gestures. Then here you can see the option 3 finger screenshot. Tap on this one to enable this one. Tap and hold on the screen using 3 fingers. And next one, from the control center you can take the screenshot. Go to the control center. Then here you can see the option screenshot. Simply tap on it. You can see the screenshot is captured. And the next one, from the accessibility shortcut menu, you can take the screenshot. So in this device I already enabled the menu. You can see this is the menu. Tap on this one. Then go to next page. Here you can see the option screenshot. Tap on this one to take the screenshot. To enable the accessibility shortcut menu, first of all go to settings. Then here you can see the option accessibility. Tap on this one. Scroll down, tap on accessibility menu, just turn on this one. Now tap on accessibility shortcut menu, tap on screenshot. And next one, from the smart sidebar you can take the screenshot. So here I already enabled the smart sidebar. You can see a small line. You can see here, this is the sidebar. Swipe inwards the sidebar, scroll down. Here you can see the option screenshot. Tap on this one. You can see the screenshot is captured. To enable the smart sidebar in this device, for this go to settings and tap on gestures. Then here you can see the option sidebar. Tap on this one. We need to turn on this option. Swipe inwards the sidebar, scroll down. Here you can see the option screenshot. Tap on this one. And the last method, go to the recent tab. So here you can see all the application that you recently opened. You can see here. And at the bottom of each and every application you can see the option screenshot. Simply tap on this one. You can see the screenshot is captured. Tap on this one. So in these methods you can take the screenshot in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.